Introducing C&T's wide portfolio of industrial touchscreen computers. From customizable open-frame touch panels to stainless steel washdown models, C&T offers a wide range of industrial touchscreen computers that easily meet diverse industrial needs. C&T's touchscreen computers are built rugged with high IP ratings, fanless designs and reinforced casings to withstand extreme temperatures, dust, vibrations and moisture. C&T offers rugged industrial panel PCs from the industrial-grade stainless steel SIO Series to the durable open-frame HIO Series, each suited for different industrial applications. With higher performing options for demanding applications such as industrial automation, control systems and management systems, and a more efficient performing options for applications like digital signage, smart kiosks, logging systems, and more. In terms of screen sizes and touch configurations, C&T delivers a wide variety to suit diverse applications with 10 PCAP touch and resistive touch options. All of C&T's industrial touchscreen computers come with optical clarity and some models with optical bonding for enhanced protection, readability and screen clarity. And with flexible mounting options like Visa, panel, yoke and open frame mounting, ensuring optimal functionality and durability for custom applications. The modular VIO series for seamless customizability, the stainless steel SIO series for hygienic environments and clean rooms, the all-in-one series for simple HMI application deployment, and lastly the open-frame HIO series for seamless OEM integration. C&T designed these industrial touchscreen computers to offer the perfect industrial HMI solution for all applications. Enhance your industrial HMI applications with C&T's rugged built-ready industrial touchscreen computers.